capital. So we're looking at EWW Mexico, the black box. This is 10-minute bars. The black box represents yesterday's high and low, the range. So that's the closing hour or so. The blue box is the last three 10-minute bars, the last 30 minutes of the day. 3 is the gap opening. 4 is when it broke below the low from yesterday, so I get short. The yellow box at 5 is the stop. 6 is the maximum excursion to the downside. It began retracing at 7. Halfway back up, I just cashed it. Keep half. 6 is a continuation to the upside. 7, I'm sorry, 8 is a continuation of the upside. 9 is the 1, 2, 3 entry. 10 is the standard stop. 11 is a second position on a 1, 2, 3 second entry. 12 is a kata 2 third position. Greedy. 13 is an exit on a 1, 2 exit. 4R. 14, it continues to fail through the VWAP and the Bollinger Band mean at the red dotted line, so I get short with a standard risk. Aiming for the bottom of the day, it gets there. It breaks through. Second position, collapsing dragon. Third position, because why not? 17, it starts to reverse. 18, 1, 2 exit at the skin of the dragon. Rolls over. I started thinking about it on a new low of the day, but we only had 30 minutes left, so I didn't take the short. Instant regret. If that's the worst thing that happens, that's fine. Bottoms out at 20. Starts a VWAP magnet retracement. Closes at 21. 22 is the VWAP for the day. So the difference between 21 and 22 is an indication that tomorrow this is going to pop. So this is Mexico. Watch for big motion right from the open tomorrow. KenLong, TortoiseCapital.net. Sniper trade of the day.